Welcome to the Introduction to the Media Library tutorial. Today, you'll learn what the Media Library is and why it is important. The topics covered in this tutorial are 1. Where can I access the Media Library? 2. How to filter and sort media. 3. How to manage media. And 4. How to delete media. Topic 1. Where can I access the Media Library? You can access the Media Library via the Media tab on your dashboard. You can also access the Media Library via a pop-up window while importing media into a widget. Topic 2. How to filter and sort media. While in the Media Library, there are a few icons, drop-downs, and buttons in the menu. The first two icons are to switch between list and thumbnail display mode for your media. After selecting what media type you would like to filter by, ensure you click the filter button. The first drop-down allows you to filter media by media type. The second drop-down allows you to filter by date. After selecting what date you would like to filter by, ensure you click the filter button. You can also search images for your image via the search bar. Topic 3. How to manage media. When you upload a media file, you have a chance to insert a name and description for each uploaded media. You can also edit these later if you need to via that media editor. You can give descriptive titles to make searching for media easier. You can also give media an alternative text in case the image does not load or for SEO purposes. Topic 4. How to delete media. To ensure that your website always runs as fast as it can, and to keep your disk usage and inode usage down, we recommend deleting media that you are not using, or duplicate media in your media library. You can individually delete media by clicking on the media you would like to delete, scrolling down, and clicking the Delete Permanently button. You can also use the Bulk Select button to delete multiple files at once. Please be aware that if you select many files to delete, that it will take some time to delete each individual file. Please allow the Media Library to delete all files before navigating away from the web page. If a file does not get removed, please repeat the process. You've now been introduced to the Media Library.